So what we're going to be looking at today is how we can quickly, easily move data around on our Excel worksheets. And we can see that we've just got a couple of names here and we've got little borders around them. And what we're going to do is we can just move this over. So to start out with, what you need to do is you need to select the range what you want to be working on. And different ways people work on it is they press Ctrl and C, move it over to where they want to do. I've seen them press Ctrl and V, which will then just copy and paste it over into the area that you want and then delete that out there. But rather than doing it that way, what you can do is select the data that you want, press Ctrl and X, and then when you press Ctrl and V now, when you move it over, it cuts out the original range that you had there and then just moves it over. And this works on other spreadsheets as well. So if we were to move it over to here, sir, then we can just select the data that we want, press Ctrl and X, move it onto sheet 2 and press Ctrl and V, and we can see that it's removed it from sheet 1 there and we've moved it into sheet 2. So another way that we can do this as well, if you're not moving data too far, is you can select the range that you want, and when you select it, you can see that you get these little hands like icons at the side here when you move it up to the top or to the side. And sometimes this will be like a 4-pointed arrow depending on what version you're on, and you can just click onto that and you can move it around, and we can see that we've got this like green little box as we move stuff. So if we say we want to move it there, and we can just click and drag and then let go, and we can move this around. But one to be conscious of when you're doing it this way is just to make sure that all the formatting stays the same, as sometimes when you move into other cells, so say for instance we have the B, which is a little bit shorter in terms of width, then if we moved into column B, you can see there that it doesn't keep the same formatting as what it might have done in the previous cell. So it's just one to be conscious of if you're moving into other cells, and sometimes it can cut off borders and stuff. But any way you want to do it, you can just move data around really quickly, and that's how we can do it.